Hey, it's your girl Yana. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a wash day routine. This is my wash and go. If you want to know how I achieve this, it will be linked in the description box down below. But you cannot achieve a nice wash and go unless you properly wash your hair. So, stay tuned. Wow, 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 whoa, oh. Hey y'all, so what you see me doing is rinsing out this Shea Moisture African Black Soap Mask. So how I applied it was I just wet my hair under the hair and then add the mask. And ew. Yeah, I was well overdue for a wash day. I honestly don't remember how long I had the mask in. Once I put it in, I put the shower cap on and just, did a little cleaning here and there. Y'all, it took so long to just rinse out all this gel and product buildup in my hair. Yeah. And then it had got in my ear. Next, I will be going in with the Kurlee Moisturizing Shampoo. And I only use a dime size because a little go a long way with this product. You'll see. My main focus is the scalp, and then I will work the product down the rest of my hair. I'll usually work in sections, but due to the fact that this shampoo is super sudsy, the portion I poured out can literally cover my whole hair. Like, look at that. I go in with my scalp massager. I don't use it to make sure it's clean. That's what I use for my fingers for. It's more to massage the scalp and help open those pores a little bit. So for the shampoo, I do believe that this is black owned, but the shampoo works on all hair types. It has all natural ingredients, and my hair absolutely loves this product. When I say loves, it be thanking me for washing it with this product. Like, girl. Look how much it had set up. Like, I told you, a little goes a long way with this product. I then rinse it out with warm water due to the fact that I do believe I have low porosity hair. Because, y'all, whenever I wet my hair sometimes, it be like literally droplets sitting on top of my hair. Like, girl, absorb. I am shampooing again because, y'all, it's been a minute since I washed my hair the last time. And I have so much buildup gel towards the front. So, yeah, that's why I'm really focusing it more towards the front. Now that it's all clean, I will be going in with this avocado mask. This is my first time ever trying this. And my hair was like, girl, you just trying something new today. And I'm loving it. Like, girl, thank you. Next, I will be going in with this wide tooth comb and detangling it while the mask is still in. Next, I'm going to do a 2-strand twist to keep in sections. All I'm doing is taking out the twist. Usually I let the mask sit in for 20 to 30 minutes. And I rinse with cold water due to the fact that it does have eggs in it. And y'all, this one time I had this mask in and I had put eggs in the mask. And I rinsed with like warm, almost hot water. And the egg started cooking in my hair. the egg literally cooked in my hair. It was so hard to like clean up and get out. After taking out the twist, I'm just going back in with the white tooth comb one more time. All I'm doing now is rinsing out the mask, and like I said, I'm using cold water. Here I am just sectioning off my hair once again because working in sections is the best way to go. It might be time consuming, but working in sections do ensure that the product gets on every strand. I would then go in with the Mielle Pomegranate leave-in conditioner. This is my first time using this product, but all I'm doing here is just breaking it through, and I should have used less than what I used here because y'all, I think I added too much. And it smells so good. Like, it's not a strong smell. And the product itself is not super heavy at all. It's like kind of light. And then I'm going back in with my wide tooth comb. And like I said, this is how I found out I had too much product. Like, look at it. It's just still on my fingers. I will then put it in 2-strand twists to keep it in the sections. And I'm just do this to the rest of my head. that's the end of this video. Hopefully you like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Okay, shorty, go to that bag. Go to that bag. Go to that bag. Go to that bag. Okay, shorty. Okay, shorty. Okay, shorty.